Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of open source intelligence and exploring a powerful tool in Kali Linux called UserRecon. What is UserRecon? UserRecon is a free and open source tool designed to aid in username reconnaissance. In simpler terms, it helps you find usernames across a vast network of social media platforms, over 75 to be exact. Why use UserRecon? Now, you might be wondering, why would I need to find usernames across so many platforms? Well, UserRecon can be valuable for several reasons. Penetration testing. During a pen test, you might need to gather information about potential users on a target system. UserRecon can help identify usernames that the target might be using on various social media platforms, revealing potential attack vectors like social engineering. Security investigations. If you're investigating a security incident, UserRecon can assist in identifying the usernames associated with a particular individual. This can be crucial for tracing the source of the attack or gathering evidence. Competitive intelligence. In the business world, understanding your competitors' online presence is essential. UserRecon can help you identify the social media profiles your competitors are using, giving you valuable insights into their brand strategy and target audience. Since UserRecon isn't included in the default Kali repositories, we'll need to install it manually. Open a terminal window. Update your package lists. Clone the UserRecon GitHub repository, navigate to the UserRecon directory. Give the executable permission. Now run the script. Once the script runs, you'll be presented with a command prompt. Here's what you need to do. Type the username you want to search for and press enter. UserRecon will start searching across the supported platforms. Be patient, as this can take some time depending on the number of platforms checked. UserRecon is a valuable tool for OSINT enthusiasts and security professionals. By leveraging its username search capabilities across numerous social media platforms, you can gain valuable insights during investigations, penetration tests, or competitive intelligence gathering. Remember, use this tool responsibly and ethically. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more exciting content on Kali Linux and security tools. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions about UserRecon. Until next time, happy hacking!